Hi everyone, Bob here from Powerpak in the back of our CNC shop here. Just to let you know, doing this job for a customer, and if you can see that what it is, it's a plastic little tray that they put dog treats in, and so we draw it up on our machine. What this is used for is to seal the packages up. So what our router is doing is cutting a tray to be able to seal foil on top of the pack, and also was a test tray that was made just to make sure it fits, and it already fits. So he's going to have a printed card in the back. This rubber gets glued on to the tray. Basically the tray is going to end up looking like this multiplied by 8, as you can see back here. It's got 4 in the top, 4 in the bottom, so it's going to be an 8-up tray. And how we cut the rubber is with a steel wool die that we get made, and that cuts the rubber out, and then we glue it on with special glue called RTV silicone, and then we put these spring-loaded pins in, and that's going to keep the foil in the position. They'll drop the foil on the top here, and that's basically how it works. Excuse my finger there. And if you can see the router, it's just, I can see it's drilling a pinhole now, you can tell that. And we have a vacuum system that is up on top. And also then the finishing parts is we end up sanding everything over here. So this is our little wood shop, and it works pretty well. And I just wanted to give you a backdoor tour of Powerpak, of how we make these sealing trays in-house, make it more efficient and keep better control of things. And my tech has gone to buy some more wood, because as you can see, we're running low, and we've got like close to like 50 trays to crank out. So we're busy, which is great through this pandemic and everything. I just hope everybody stays well. All right, have a great day. Take care.